This video I'm going to show you how you can delete text box in Google Slides. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so I have here quite a number of text box that I like to go ahead and delete. For instance, I have this one and I also have this one. Now, should you want to just change some few letters or few words, you don't need to delete the whole text box. You can just go ahead and delete some words that you want, and then that is it, and you can replace them with the ones you want. However, should you want to delete or eliminate the whole text box, it is pretty simple. Just head over to the text box or place the cursor to any text, and once you click it, it will highlight the text box. Now, to delete this text box, all you need to do, once you have clicked on it, you can delete it while the cursor is still blinking. All you need to do is first to go ahead and click on the borderline or the text line here. And you can see once you click on it, it will change the color and you will no longer see the blinking cursor inside your text box. Now go ahead and tap on backspace and it will delete the whole text box with the text. The same applies to the image. If you want to delete it, go ahead and also just highlight it and then press on delete or backspace and it will be deleted. So that's how you can delete text box or images in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.